Hey there, guys, it's me again, Prince Brian, and today is another day of learning.
Too very low. Period. Too very low.
But this time, I won't be doing it alone. Yes, you heard it right. Along with me is my best friend who is pretty well known, and that person is.
Yeah.
Ariana, what are you doing here?
Hi there, guys. It's me, Ariana Grande, and today I will help my best friend Brian in his presentation. And by the way, guys, I have a surprise for y'all at the end of this lesson. So I hope you make it till the end.
So you heard it, guys. Ariana has a surprise for y'all at the end of this lesson. So stay tuned.
Let's go.
Before anything else, guys, Ariana has something to say about our learning objectives.
At the end of the lesson, the learner should be able to 1. Understand the methods of curriculum integration and their approaches. 2. Recognize the implementation outcomes of various curriculum integration methods. 3. Appreciate the benefits of an integrated curriculum model.
First of all, curriculum integration is an approach to teaching that combines subjects or disciplines to create a more connected and meaningful learning experience. It focuses on linking concepts, skills, or themes across different areas of study, helping students see relationships between topics and apply their knowledge to real-world situations. So there are methods of curriculum integration, and the first one is project-based learning engages students in creating knowledge while enhancing their skills in critical thinking, creativity, collaboration, communication, reasoning, synthesis, and resilience. As such, it entails an output which involves accomplishing a complex task, performing a presentation, and producing a project, a craft, or an artifact. So what is the process? Here, students start by defining the purpose of creating the end product, identify the audience, do research on the topic, design the product, implement the design, solve the problem that might arise, and come up with a product guided by a plan or a model. It usually culminates with product presentation and product evaluation while reflecting on the entire production process. An example of project-based learning is creating a poster about recycling. So, students will research recycling, designing the poster with images and facts, and creating it using art materials. They usually present their work to the class and reflect on what they have learned, improving creativity and communication skills. So, what is the outcome or result of this method? Project-based learning encourages students to put in more effort, connect different subject areas, retain knowledge, and apply it to real-life problems. It also reduces discipline issues and absenteeism. Students' assessment focuses on teamwork, critical thinking, problem solving, and time management skills. The next one is service learning. So this method of learning actively involves students in a wide range of experiences, which often benefits others and the community, while also advancing the goals of a given curriculum. Community-based service activities are paired with structured preparation and student reflection. So what is unique about service learning? It is because it offers direct application of theoretical models. As such, the real-world application of classroom knowledge in a community setting allows students to synthesize course materials in more meaningful ways. It embeds integrative, reflective, conceptualized, strength-based, reciprocal, and lifelong learning. An example of this is social studies student might work with a local nonprofit group to organize a community cleanup event. So, social studies student will research the environmental impact of littering, plan the event, and participate in cleaning the local area. Afterwards, they reflect on the experiences and how it relates to their classroom lessons about environmental responsibility and community involvement. So, what is the result? Service learning programs will encourage lifelong service participation, develop social skills, and prepare students for the workforce. Additionally, students gain a deeper understanding of course content, a greater appreciation for their discipline, and an enhanced sense of civic responsibility. The next one is learning centers or parallel disciplines. A popular way to integrate the curriculum is to address a topic or theme through the lenses of several subject areas. In an elementary classroom, students often experience this approach at teaming centers. As students move through the learning centers to complete their activities, they learn about the concept being studied through the lenses of various disciplines. In the higher grades, students usually study a topic or theme in different classrooms. This may take the form of parallel disciplines, and teachers sequence their content to match the content in other classrooms. To make things clear, here's an example. In an elementary school, students study the solar system by exploring different learning centers. One center focuses on science, another on math, which focuses on calculating distances, and third is on art, which focuses on drawing the planets. So basically, in this approach, we are integrating various subjects to enhance their learning, right? So, what is the result of utilizing this approach? These learning centers allow students or the children to role play, helping them to understand the real world in their own experiences. As a result, children improve their communication skills, build relationships, and better understand the social world around them. The next one is theme-based learning. So, some teachers go beyond sequencing content and plan collaboratively, and they do it in a more intensive way of working with theme, dubbed as the theme-based. Often 3 or more subject areas are involved in the study, and the unit ends with an integrated culminating activity. Units of several weeks' duration may emerge from this process, and the whole school may also be involved. A theme-based unit involving the whole school may be independent of the regular school schedule. Did you get it? Here's an example. In a water conservation theme, students might learn about science, which teaches the water cycle, and then in math, which teaches calculating water usage, and then in social studies, which teaches water issues around the world. The unit ends with a class presentation, such as a debate or a video project, showcasing their understanding of the topic. So basically, theme-based learning combines different subjects to focus on one main idea or topic. Teachers work together to plan activities, and students explore the themes in various ways, making learning more connected and meaningful. So what is the outcome? Theme-based learning helps students to stay focused and work well with others. They become engaged as both presenters and the audience members during final presentations using formats like debates, videos, or music. As a result, students gain a deeper understanding of the topic, making learning process enjoyable for everyone. The last one is fusion. In this method, teachers fuse skills, knowledge, or even attitudes into the regular school curriculum. In some schools, students learn respect for the environment in every subject area, incorporating values across disciplines. Fusion can involve basic skills. Many schools emphasize positive work habits in each subject area. Educators can also fuse technology across the curriculum with computer skills integrated within every subject area. So basically, here we are combining. Fusion integrates skills, values, and knowledge into the curriculum, such as environmental awareness, work habits, and technology, making learning more connected across all subjects. For example, in Fusion approach, students might practice math while calculating the environmental impact of waste or use technology to research recycling in a science project. So, what is the outcome of this approach? Fusion leads to a better student achievement because it combines different subjects and ideas. Students connect what they learn across subjects, develop critical thinking, and gain self-confidence. This method also creates a positive and engaging classroom environment where students enjoy learning and motivated teachers make the experience fun and effective.
Just a short recap, guys. Curriculum integration methods include project-based learning, which promotes critical thinking through collaborative projects. Next, service learning combines community service with curriculum goal. Third, Learning Center's parallel disciplines is exploring themes across subjects. Fourth, theme-based learning, integrating multiple subjects with creative outputs. And finally, fusion, which blends skills and values to enhance critical thinking and engagement.
There are other types of integrated curriculum, and that includes connected, sequenced, shared, and webbed. The first one is connected. This happens when topics surrounding disciplines are connected, which allows students to review and reconceptualize ideas within discipline. However, it has its shortcomings because the content focus still remains in one discipline. For example, a math teacher connects geometry concepts to art by exploring patterns in architecture, but the focus remains on math. Alright? The next one is sequenced. This is observed when similar ideas are taught together, which facilitate learning across content areas. But this requires a lot of communication among teachers of different disciplines. For example, history and literature teachers align lessons on the Renaissance, teaching historical content and related literary works simultaneously. The next one is shared. This is when teachers use their planning to create an integrated unit between two disciplines. Although in some ways, this method of integration requires a lot of communication and collaboration between two teachers. For example, a teacher presents the structure, format, and standards in making research while collaborating with a science teacher who focuses on a content area of research that is related to science. Another example is an English teacher who teaches research writing skills while collaborating with a science teacher on a project about climate change. The last one is webbed. This reflects when a teacher plans to base the subject areas around the central theme that will tend students to see the connection within different subjects. For example, a teacher uses space exploration as a theme, connecting it to science, math, history, and art lessons. So, what happens if we are actively and effectively doing curriculum integration in the classroom? According to Chabra 2017, integrating curriculum in the classroom includes combining different subject areas and then teaching them in relation to a singular theme or an idea. Innovative teachers and school refer to integrating the curriculum in the classrooms as it improved the student achievement and leads to an increase in student standardized scores, placing student achievement on top priority. Additionally, curriculum integration fosters deeper learning by helping students connect concepts across subjects. It also enhances engagement, support different learning styles, and make lessons more relevant to real life. This approach also encourages critical thinking, collaboration, and problem solving, ultimately improving academic success and overall student development. Are we clear? I hope it's a yes. For the benefits of integrated curriculum model, I think Ariana have the answer. Ari, are you still there?
Here are the benefits of integrated curriculum model, guys. 1. It focuses on basic skills, content, and higher level thinking. 2. It provides a deeper understanding of content. 3. It encourages active participation in relevant real-life experiences. 4. It provides connections among various curricular disciplines. 5. It accommodates a variety of learning styles, theories, and multiple intelligences. But wait, guys, there's more. Brian and I have provided an informative video that will support and further elaborate the concept of curriculum integration.
How do we integrate our curriculums? Today we'll talk about 4 different approaches to integrating curriculums. First, we'll look at an interdisciplinary approach, which involves an arrangement of the knowledge and skills within one subject area. This approach respects a subject's way of knowing distinct conceptual structures and methods of inquiry. It aims at integrating the subject's knowledge and skills into a coherent whole. Next, we'll look at an interdisciplinary approach, which involves drawing appropriately from several disciplines or different branches of learning or fields of expertise to redefine problems outside of normal boundaries and reach solutions based on a new understanding of complex situations. Following with multidisciplinary approach. In this approach to curriculum integration, which focuses primarily on the different disciplines and the diverse perspectives they bring to illustrate a topic, theme, or issue, a multidisciplinary curriculum is one in which the same topic is studied from the viewpoint of more than one discipline. And finally, transdisciplinary approach. An approach to curriculum integration which dissolves the boundaries between the conventional disciplines and organizes teaching and learning around the construction of meaning in the context of real-world problems or themes.
For the summary and conclusion, curriculum integration is a teaching approach that connects different subjects under a common theme, making learning more meaningful and applicable to real-life scenarios. Methods like project-based learning, service learning, learning centers, team-based learning, and fusion help students develop critical thinking, collaboration, and problem-solving skills. Other types such as connected, sequenced, shared, and webbed further strengthen interdisciplinary connections. By actively integrating the curriculum, educators enhance students' engagement, achievement, and standardized test scores while catering to different learning styles. This approach fosters deeper understanding, encourages active participation, and prepares students for real-world challenges, ultimately leading to better academic performance and lifelong learning.
As I promised earlier, guys, here's my special performance for you all. I hope you enjoy it. Di na lang ko to, iri na lang ko taman. Dili na kumukukot sa taong kusog mo. Dagan kay kong tikyo-tikyo, luwan na tayo pagsanay. Ay na lang, ay na cold, ate ka.
Hey everyone, before this presentation ends, I'd like to thank my bestie Ari for helping me today. And I hope we have more collaboration in the future. So yeah, thank you. And also to the viewers, thank you so much for listening and I hope you learned something today. So yeah, bye!
Goodbye, everyone. Thank you so much.